Good morning. My name is Mohammed Farooq Quraishi. Can I start by welcoming everyone on behalf of Rochdale Kashmiri community. A very special thanks to Mayor and Mayoress of Rochdale, our MEP, councillors, members of the community, ladies, children, council officers, police, especially town hall staff and the media personnel here. Parties from our MP Saman Dantek, MP for Haywood and Middleton, Liz McInnes, Police and Crime Commissioner Tony Lloyd. It is wonderful attendance here today despite the bad weather. And may I also thank you once again on behalf of Lala Javed Akhtar, who is chairman of Rochdale Kashmiri Association, for participating in today's event. Now, can I invite Mayor of Rochdale, Councillor Surinder Bayan, to open today's event.
Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. I'm very proud to be here to raise the flag and to start the event today. Some couple of years ago, I attended a Kashmiri gathering, and a guest from Azad Kashmir came and bestowed an honorary citizen of Kashmir to me. And I feel that I'm part and parcel of all of you who are Kashmiris. And I just cannot wait the day our dream will come true, that we are truly independent Kashmir, free from India as well as Pakistan and its country in its own right. Just can't wait. And I think it is very important that people who are gathered around here should get together and start something like a movement we had from Kenya, where I was part and parcel of. We wanted to fight the freedom for Kenya, and we started the movement which was called Mau Mau, and eventually it ended up winning the independence for Kenya. Should we start something like this one? I think it's about time we did. For those words, I welcome you all to this event today, and thank you very much indeed.
Thank you, Mayor Surinder Bayan, for your very nice words. Now, may I call MEP Afzal Khan for your comments, please.
Well, good morning and assalamu alaikum. I know the weather is well, so I'll promise you I won't be saying much other than to say thank you to the organizers for organizing this wonderful event, and for all of you on this Saturday morning, despite the weather, that all of you are here. On my part, as your representative in the European Parliament, I promise you that I'll carry on working. Already in my first year, we have managed to set up a Kashmir Friends group in the member of European Parliament of 28 countries. And our second aim now will be actually linking up all these 28 countries, because the Kashmiri community actually lives throughout the Europe, and they need to be coordinated, they need to be more organized. So I hope in the next few years this will be another one of the things that I'll be working on. And the third thing I want to work on is really how do we get this message really more into the international community, because for too long Kashmiri people have been suffering. For too long this resolution of the United Nations has been there as well, and yet nothing's been done. We see day in, day out the Kashmiri community is suffering in the occupied land. So let us work together, let's bring about unity, put our bit in there, and inshallah the day will come, as Surinder was saying, that we will have Kashmir and the Kashmiri people will enjoy their freedom like the rest of the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you, MEP Afzal Khan, for your position to promote Kashmir's cause and Kashmir's plight for their right of self-determination. May I now call Councillor Janet Emsley, who is the Cabinet Member for Culture, Health and Well-being. Councillor Janet Emsley.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr Mayor, Madam Mayoress, ladies and gentlemen. Very proud and pleased to be here on Kashmiri Flag Raising Day, or Kashmiri Day, and I want to emphasise the contribution that the Kashmiri population of Rochdale make to Rochdale. obviously, like many other northern towns and cities, we have a population who came to us after the Second World War from various places, and the Kashmir population in Rochdale is a significant population. The Kashmiris in Rochdale have made a contribution to our society in so many ways. We're standing at the moment in front of the War Memorial. Obviously, Kashmiris participated in the Second World War and gave their lives in the same way that everybody else did. Kashmiris in Rochdale make their contribution to our society. We have a very diverse society in Rochdale. It's a very cohesive society. We will stand together and we will make sure that Kashmiris are listened to. We've got a bit of a piece of research going on at the moment that Shams is doing in association with the University of Manchester. We're looking at how we can make a difference to the Kashmiri population in Rochdale, and that will be a significant piece of work. It's one of the first ones in the country to recognise that Kashmiris are a particular part of our population that has been perhaps overlooked. So anyway, I'm proud and pleased to be here. Thank you very much for inviting me to speak, and we'll go on with the flag raising as soon as. Where's the gentleman? Oh.
Thank you, Councillor Jan Kamsley. Well, it's raining. I know weather is not good. I would love to invite many other people here, but please accept my apologies because of the weather condition. There are ladies here, children here. Weather is not good, so I don't want to prolong it. Once again, thank you, everyone, especially my family, my wife, and my special need child who is here as well today to attend this event. And everybody, it's lovely to see, despite this pouring weather, that so many people turned out today. So finally, may I call Councillor Samina Zahir to thank you, everybody, please.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. It's great to see so many people turned up to make a point how important the freedom of Kashmir is, how close it's to our hearts. Let's pray that a day come that we celebrate independence of Kashmir. Inshallah, very soon, because every human being has a right of freedom, and so the Kashmiri has. We urge the leaders of the world, the countries of the world, to do more for the freedom of Kashmiris. Let's pray. We celebrate every year with the same enthusiasm this day, and hopefully we'll see more people next year celebrating this event with more enthusiasm. Thank you very much for all of you to come today to celebrate this event, and I would like to thank mayors, MEP, councillors, and all the leaders of the community, families, children for attending this event. Hope to see tomorrow for an event, and where we have arranged some music as well. Thank you very much again.
Thank you, Councillor Samina Zahir. May I now call Mayor of Rochdale Surrender Bayantar, MEP Afzal Khan, to raise Kashmir flag. Councillor Janet Emsley, please.
चलो हम पर हो गया नहीं हूँ दुआ मर गए बिना नहीं जी इधर
Can we have 3 cheers for Kashmir? Kashmir! Kashmir! Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you.
Now the flag has been raised. Once again, thank you for everybody turning up. So, may I now close this ceremony. Thank you.